Hello everybody, it's Rob here. Now, I've got something really exciting to tell you about, something that I think you're really going to like. Now, I know lots of you have already got this book, The Draw with Rob, amazing art activity book. I know this because lots of you have sent me the pictures that you've drawn inside the book. So, do you fancy a brand new Draw with Rob activity book? Yes? Well, you're in luck because, ta-da! Look, it's the Draw with Rob at Christmas activity book. And it's full of really cool things for you to do over the festive period. Lots and lots of bits and pieces. We start off with an arty advent. So look, something for you to do every single day in December in the build-up to Christmas. And that's just the start, because there's loads and loads of other things. We have a letter for you to fill in to Father Christmas. We have your make your own Christmas decoration spread. I have, what else do we have? Oh, Christmas cards, your own Christmas cards that you can cut out, fold over, add some drawings to and send off to all your friends. We even have thank you cards for you to send off to your friends and family who bought you lovely presents after Christmas. Lots and lots of bits and pieces. Of course, it's full of draw-alongs too, your regular draw-alongs. I think you'll like doing them. Lots of festive draw-alongs. There's a Santa in there, and there's reindeer, and there's elves, there's all sorts of different things, snowmen. So, I think you're really going to like it. You can get it right now, wherever you get your books from, online, Amazon, Waterstones, all sorts of places. You can go to your local bookshop. That's the best thing of all. Support your local bookshop and you'll find it in there. It's not very expensive, only costs about the same as one of those magazines that you get in the supermarket. So I think it's very good value for money. It will keep you busy for most of the festive period. Makes a good Christmas present too, but I would recommend getting it for the 1st of December. So I hope you like it. If you do let me know. Send me any pictures you do using this hashtag, the Draw with Rob hashtag, and then I'll get to see your pictures. In the meantime, have a Merry Christmas. I mean, it's quite early, isn't it, to be talking about Merry Christmas, but I'm going to say it anyway. Merry Christmas. And I'm going to see you very soon for another Draw with Rob video. Bye everyone.